Hello friends, welcome to Param's YouTube channel. Today we are going to celebrate Wari. Wari is the very big festival in Maharashtra's devotees. Millions of Warkari sects gather together in Alandi and Dehu, and they start walking towards the Pandharpur from Alandi and Dehu. They walk with the Palki. Palki is nothing but the Rath of Sant Jnaneshwara and Sant Tukaram Maharaj. The Rath contains the Paduka of Sant Jnaneshwar and Sant Tukaram Maharaj. This is the big festival of Maharashtrian devotees along with India. Millions of Warkari sects join and gather in the Wari, and they walk towards the
पाऊले चालती पंढरीची वाट पाऊले चालती पंढरीची वाट
पाऊले चालती पंढरीची वाट पाऊले चालती
holy place Pandharpura. Pandharpura, the place of Panduranga, Vitthal, Vithoba. Warkari sects walking towards the Pandharpura by the singing devotional songs by the help of mrudang, tal, veena. They sing songs, devotional songs. Two palkis depart from Pune. One of from Alandi, that is for Sant Jnaneshwara, and one is from Dehu, that is for Sant Tukaram Maharaj.
दुनिया भारी दुःखदारी ध्याने गा दुनिया भारी दुःखदारी ध्याने पडतारी कामे भाकरीचे ताट
Few people join in the Sant Tukaram Maharaj Palki, and few people join in the Sant Jnaneshwara's Palki. Two different routes for two different Palkis. That is, for Sant Jnaneshwara Palki, the way is from Saswad, and the Sant Tukaram Maharaj Palki way is from Solapur Highway. That is for the traffic management. Both Palkis join and gather in the Pandharpura at the day of Ashadi Ekadashi.
होता पुन्हा लागे मोड मन शांत होता पुन्हा लागे मोड दत्ता मांडी गोड संसाराचा थाट
There is a very big festival of Ashadi Ekadashi in Pandharpura. There is a history behind the Ashadi Ekadashi. There was a one king, his name was Mandata. In his kingdom, they faced the issue of rain, and they faced the drought for 3 years. He didn't found any solution. Please rain the god. At the end, Angirish Rishi advised him, that king, to keep the vrat on Ekadashi, keep the fast on that Ekadashi. When that king done the same, then there was a rain by the blessing of God Vishnu. After that incident, they celebrate that day as Ashadi Ekadashi. Nowadays, Ashadi Ekadashi is a big festival for Maharashtrian along with Indian devotees. So at the day of that Ekadashi, bathing at the Chandrabhaga and keep the fasting on that day for getting their wishes. At that day, devotees pray to the god to complete their wish, to get their wish.
दुनिया भारी दुःखदारी ध्याने गा दुनिया भारी दुःखदारी ध्याने पडतारी कामे भाकरीचे ताट
And take the darshans of Lord Panduranga. Warkari sect celebrates the Ashadi Ekadashi like singing the devotional songs, by making the pravachan, bhajan, and bathing in the Chandrabhaga and keeping the fast. So friend, this was a small history about the Ashadi Ekadashi. So please inform us in comment how was the video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you friends.